Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to remove step labels and numbers from a process block in Articulate Rise 360. We will walk you through two simple methods. 1. Removing only the step labels on-screen section title. Open your Rise 360 lesson and navigate to the process block you want to edit. Click on the process block to select it, then open the Format pane on the left side of the screen. This is where you can customize the block's appearance and behavior. In the Format pane, find the Step Label field. Click into the field and press the spacebar once to insert a single blank space. Entering a blank space removes the word step from the block. This keeps your layout clean and uncluttered without showing any label text. Note, the step numbers will still be visible. This helps maintain the structure and flow of your process block without showing step titles. 2. Removing labels and numbers completely, on-screen section title. If you want to remove both the label and the number, follow this next step. In the Format pane, find the switch labeled step label. Toggle this switch off to hide both the label and step number. That's it. Your process block will now appear without any visible labels or numbering, resulting in a cleaner, more minimal design. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Rise 360.